Migos sue their attorney for malpractice. QC's Pierre P. Thomas calls lawsuit nonsense. This is Ty Hampton with thejazzinbrand.com. Rap trio, the Migos, are suing their longtime attorney, Damian Granderson. The lawsuit claims that he abused his position of trust as Migos fiduciary from the moment he was retained as Migos' lawyer. It also alleges he cheated the group out of millions of dollars. The Migos are suing Granderson for professional malpractice and unjust enrichment. It's not clear how much they're requesting. The lawsuit further accuses Granderson of betraying Migos when he failed to disclose both the complete nature of his relationship with QCM and the complete nature of the conflict in representing both QCM and Migos. They claim the lawyer took more compensation than needed for the lawyers in his field and that he was incompetent in his other negotiations. QCM co-founder Pierre P. Thomas spoke out about the Migos lawsuit. P. Thomas wrote on Instagram, "It is unfortunate that the same people that we have worked hard for, provided opportunities for, and championed for are now alleging that we have participated in any kind of immoral or unfair business practices or took advantage of them in their careers, especially while we are dealing with the death of an artist on our label that was dear to us." The death that Pete Thomas is referring to is the shooting death of QC artist Lil Marlowe. Lil Marlowe, real name Randolph Johnson, was shot dead while driving on July 11th. Lil Marlowe signed with QC back in 2017. Pete continued, "We have always practiced honest business and complete transparency from the beginning when we started Quality Control Music. We built this business on family values, which has been so hard to do when you are dealing with so much pride and ego. The problem that I have been struggling with in this business as black men is jealousy, hate, division, and lack of communication. I was a millionaire before I got in the music business, and for me to know the sacrifices that I have made for the people that I have invested in and put every dollar, blood, sweat, and tears into is nonsense." He finished his statement with, "I will not stand by and let Quality Control's reputation and everything we have built and sacrificed be tarnished by allegations of unfair and unjust business practices. I am a student of this game, and I have watched several black record label owners get destroyed by the same things that I am facing right now. This is why a majority of the people in this business end up in financial turmoil and ultimately failing to reach their full potential. It is hard enough to be fighting and battling with corporations and the powers that be. I am not doing it with those I consider family. I love my artists and I love my team. Everyone has their own lawyers. I understand in this business that you are not always going to end up with the people you started with. I say that to say, I am not forcing anybody to be in business with us that has a problem and cannot communicate and does not want to work as a unit. Everything is negotiable. I wish my whole team more money, more blessings, and more success. Long live Marlowe." What are your thoughts on the Migos filing a lawsuit against their attorney? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. This is Ty Hampton with thejazzinbrand.com.